Welcome to the behind the scenes for the Winter Wind CMV. Let's go. It's actually a lot colder outside than I was expecting. When I made the Viktor Nikiforov one, it was actually like surprisingly warm, even though it was snowing, and there was just like 4 inches of snow everywhere. It was like really warm though. Right now it's like freezing out, and well, let's just get into this, huh? I can already tell this is going to be very interesting to film. I've just come to the train tracks so I can get into the woods, because the entrance to the woods is actually just up here. But I've got my little bucket of stuff, including my blood, which is made out of nothing but strawberry syrup and chocolate syrup. If you mix it together enough, it makes like this lovely color, and it's great because if you heat it up, it becomes like really runny blood, but if it's really cold, it like coagulates and kind of makes that like thick stuff. Ooh, lots of fun. So we're almost at the woods. Lovely. These are the same woods I filmed my Viktor Nikiforov CMV in, because it's actually right behind my grandmother's house, and it's right near my house. I live close to my grandmother's. Actually, I live close to both of them, believe it or not. I will probably be using their houses slash yards for quite a lot of stuff because they're so close by. It's just very easy to do. I was just getting set up and I noticed that a lot of the snow that was here for the other CMV has melted, and now it's basically all ice. But that's okay, because that just means I'm not gonna have like super wet socks. So I'm back at the huge tree that we used for the other CMV. I'm gonna set up the camera so you can see how big it is compared to like me. My camera is in a tree right now. I just wanted to show you guys like how big this tree actually is. Like, this is a really freaking big tree. And this is where I'm gonna film my first couple of scenes. So let's get into that. I usually have someone to help me, but today I'm all by myself because I'm trying to get shots while it's still light out. And my camera is not wanting to cooperate at all. I have broken my smaller tripod somehow on a tree or something, and it won't. I see, I've cracked it. I've cracked it right there. So now this part won't stay in, and now I have to use the other broken tripod to film. All right. That bridge is so small and rickety. It's like when I was stepping on it, I could hear it cracking. And so I knew running across it was a terrible idea, but I did it anyway. Ooh, sun. I'm so out of breath from doing that shot like 7 or 8 times. Okay. I almost lost the bin because I got a little excited taking some nature shots, and it's okay because I found it. Here we go. All the blood is still there. I'm starting to realize that if I leave all of this syrup all over the place, people are gonna think like some animal actually died here. Looks kind of like I've just stabbed someone and they started bleeding next to this tree. It appears I am starting to lose some daylight, so I'm gonna have to work quickly. Try and get all my shots in. There's that bridge I almost died on over there. Off into the distance. I see you, bridge. You tried to kill me, but you couldn't. Ooh. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. I'm gonna get working on my shots. Alright, I am about to do the shot that I've been dreading for so long. I'm covering my hand in blood, making it look like somebody died. Now that I have that shot, I need like a warm-up session for my hands because I had to like lay my arm in the snow and I was like kneeling in it and it's so cold. Like, it's actually really sunny today, so I thought it was gonna be nice or something. But no, it's like freezing. It's freezing and I'm in the middle of the woods and there's nobody else here and there's syrup on the ground that looks like blood. It's an interesting day. Now I'm gonna have to like bite into my hand to make it look like I made my hand bleed when I bit into it. Behind the scenes note, what I'm actually gonna do is I'm dreading this because now there's tree bark and crap in that bowl. I'm going to put some of the fake blood in my mouth and then when I go to bite down on my hand, just like let it seep through my teeth, make it look like I've just bitten into my hand and it's bleeding. Alright, I am pretty much done with filming at this point. I just need to review my shots, make sure I have like enough footage and whatnot. Also, I sincerely hope that I caught the shot of myself tripping in the woods because I thought that was pretty funny. My fingers are frozen. So, I hope you guys have enjoyed this the behind the scenes video. Bye!